Hi guys, I have another Tiny Tidy Tuesday for you, and today I am decluttering my food container drawers. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and this is my everyday wife life. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and click that like and share button, and don't forget to leave me a comment on what you decluttered today. Okay, finally getting back to doing the kitchen drawers like I was supposed to be doing for the fall. I'm concentrating on decluttering and deep cleaning the kitchen. Yes, I probably should clean first. Don't look. Maybe I'll do afterwards. And here I am using my handy dandy no bend stool that is still broken. I don't know what to say about that. But I'm anxious to go ahead and declutter these. Well, I don't know if that means 2 drawers. What is in there? What is that? Coffee? I think it's coffee. How did coffee get in there? I have no idea. Anyway, that's kind of... Alright, I don't know about that. But here's what I want to get rid of. Is all these things. Maybe not that. What does that go to? That's like an ice pack you put in the freezer. So I'm going to... I guess I put all the ice packs in there. I'm going to get rid of all these little containers here that were for hubby's lunches, which the last 3 years, well, he's not working now, almost 2 months now, he retired. He's been working from home, but I'm still holding on to these, but I'm not using these for leftovers because I prefer to use glass for leftovers. So these can go. So I put milk in it because he had cereal for breakfast in the morning, and I would send that. So all that stuff can go. I need something to put it in. And I just need to do a general clean of the kitchen too. I'll do that on fast forward, but I'm working on drawers, and I mean, it's not, he promised he was going to do that this week. He's not fixed that yet. I did all the Instacart recently, so I have all these paper bags. Makes it easier instead of putting it in the basket and then having to transfer it. So, well, kind of helps to not have the camera in my hand. I gotta figure out which one of these that I want, if anything. That goes with these. I should put those together. I mean, like, what I mean is I should put them... what the heck? So I'm realizing these are the only... what's in there is the only full... like a bottom and a top. What? I have no idea where the bottoms are to these. So those are trash, right? Should I trash those? Nobody wants just the tops. I always have difficulty with that part. Yeah. Okay, so I started a decluttering chat on Instagram, private chat. So I'm asking them, do you donate tops with no bottoms or bottoms with no tops? So these are cat food dishes. I don't need that. That goes with the kids' drinks. This is for salad dressing. This is a thermos. I don't need that. I need to figure out, that is an ice thing. I need to figure out what that goes to. I think it's in a container in the refrigerator. And then this, I don't need that. Sometimes I was saving those for the plates are still in the way. I tried to kick them out of the way, but yeah. Anyway, just pretend you don't see them. Don't ask. For Thanksgiving, but am I going to really Thanksgiving is all around the corner. For leftovers and I don't care. All right. And then there's my, what does that go to? That goes to that because it won't close with it on. So then there's my whole water bottle hoard. I think we can get rid of this. I don't think hubby wants that. That's who he used to work for, Booz Allen. Yeah. I still don't want to get rid of them. I think I bought that for hubby. He doesn't use it. Really? Come on, Michelle. I don't want to make the decision. Here's the problem. No, and that one doesn't fit standing up. I don't think you got the top on it. I'll try it. It doesn't stand. It doesn't. The door doesn't close. Okay, and these are ball mason jar tops. Why are they there? I should put them somewhere else. And I'm supposed to be cleaning the drawers too. But I'm seeing how this fits. So those are ice cube trays that I bought recently because we sometimes run out of ice because I buy it from the store. Because our ice maker doesn't work. So if we run out before I can get to the store, I can make the ice. I don't know. All right. And then this, I want to take this out because it gets scrunched up and it's annoying me. So I'm just gonna take it out and then clean the drawer. Okay, here's YouTuber problems. So, I mean, this is a little fake. I don't do this all the time. I try to capture a picture of a screenshot from the video I film if I forget to take a picture of it. But I want to do, I want to do before and after. It didn't look like that. It was a little neater, but we're just going to go with it because I forgot to take a before picture of it, so we're gonna go with it. All right, the consensus in the chat and the Instagram page private chat is to, if it's in good condition, donate it because somebody might need a top for something that they don't have. I have seen that. So I have no idea what was I doing. Oh, I was going to take everything out of this drawer and clean it. I don't want to do that. I'm forcing myself to do this today. I really don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it. Because the people in the private chat are encouraging me to do this today. So you need some encouragement, go there. Let me know. I will add you on Instagram. Just message me. Why we need a clean kitchen before doing this. I suggest it. But I'm not. I just want to get it done, see, because it's a mess and I got nowhere to put stuff. I got to take all this stuff out so that I can clean the drawer. But, hey, it is what it is. So, there's that. I feel like I need a cat drawer because this is cat stuff. This, do I want to save it? No. I think I have some here. I'll roll that up later, but where's my cleaner? Oh, I'm going to use my apple. The Mrs. Meyer's apple cleaner. I probably should vacuum it out first. And then, see, I put some sticky tack down because the Pioneer Woman things were shifting because one piece was not big enough for the whole drawer. So I'm going to get my vacuum and vacuum that out. I'm a lazy YouTuber. I don't want to put my camera on the tripod. I think I need to go back to bed, y'all. Anyway. Don't forget, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is brought to you by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click the playlist in the description, or I will leave a comment and pin it at the top so you can just click it and watch everyone else's video. You have no excuse for not watching the whole playlist. I have said in previous videos that I like to clean one or two drawers in the kitchen while I am either cleaning the kitchen or making dinner. Yeah, just let you know that doesn't happen every time I clean the kitchen or every time I make dinner. It just happens sometimes, and today was sometime. Okay, that's what that's looking like. I like to keep the tops on and do it that way instead of loose. It makes it neater, makes you keep less stuff, so I suggest doing that. That is, the bottom to that is probably in my son's room. And this is, I don't know, in the dishwasher, something. So I like these, what is this called? Snap something or another. But the tabs on these, they keep breaking off. So, I don't know. They do make really good, so if you have leftovers, this is a portion. So it's great. So I divvy it up into portions, and then people can just grab that and microwave that. So that works well. I'm going to put these 2 caps in here with the mason jar storage, which needs cleaned too, but I'm just concentrating on drawers. I really should take everything out of there, but I think I'm not. It's not that dirty. It's not that dirty. It's not that dirty. The top drawer gets more dirty, I guess. See? That's some glue. It won't come off. So I'm going to put all the cat stuff down there that we're not currently using. So that's there. So, that's what these 2 tops are from cat bowls that we bought like these for them. So we're not using the tops for them. They're somewhere around the house. We have cat water bowls everywhere. And that's not going to fit. It's getting caught by the kitchen drawer. So I'm not going to clean that. Why clean something that's not dirty? I should get rid of those water bottles, but I don't want to. Oh, that needs to go though, because I put that in there for a before picture, but I don't want to, so I'm not. So I have to ask hubby about that. I'm sure he doesn't want it, so that's not bad. And it is almost, not quite, the end of October. So, this is piling up here. Got more than what's in the basket. All that's going to Goodwill at the end of October. And you ask, why don't you do that now, Michelle? Because I don't want to. That's not my new phrase. Because I don't want to. Overview. So, again, don't look at my messy kitchen. So, I did these 2 drawers. And I did this drawer and this drawer. Still deciding on those 2 pans, whether to get rid of them. It's not there. It's over here. That one pan is working out well. I'm just not a drawer, but it needs cleaned. It's gross. So I'm keeping that in there. Is it dirty even? Look, it's not even dirty. Well, I'm going to clean something that's not dirty. So I put all my knives in here. This, you know what? Never, ever use it. Ever. I just don't use it. I probably don't use this either. Next pass. Use the razor blade to clean the oven, which needs to be a task in this kitchen series that I'm kind of sort of doing. Right. Here's the problem. I'm making my way back to the drawer. I'm like, what's it hurting? Because there's plenty of room. I'm still thinking about that. There's plenty of room in that drawer. There's hardly anything in this drawer. I just keep my sharp knives in there, my Parmesan cheese grater, zester in there, paring knife, bread knife. Yeah, that, and then garbage bags. Put things where you use them. The garbage can is right here. This is where I use them. I do have overflow in another space, but when this runs out, I put another one there. It's just easy to grab. Yep. And I am going to tidy this, that's Sun's, but not now. I'll record it later and clean it all up. Actually, I am going to clean this up now. I actually yelled up to hubby and asked him if he could come down and help me tag team the kitchen. Sometimes I do that when I'm a little overwhelmed with the kitchen. So he came down to help me, and he did clean up a few things. And then I said, you know what? Do me a favor, since you're down here, why don't you go ahead and fix my little handy dandy stool, my no bending stool, and the drawer front on underneath the stove there that had fell off. So he fixed the stool, but then he had put something in the microwave to heat up for lunch, and then he went on the couch, and so he didn't finish the drawer front or help me finish up the kitchen, but that's fine. He did help a little bit in the kitchen, and that's fine. Anyway, calling him down motivated me to get it done, because while I was waiting for him to come down, I got a lot done. That's it for this video. I hung up my apron, and I'm gonna drink my water from my Bubba mug and see what else I can do after I take a little break. And I will continue to do my fall deep cleaning in the Zone 3 area and let you know what I get done. Until next time, guys, one drawer, one cabinet, one closet at a time. It will get done, and we can do this together. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.